In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a KPI dashboard in Monday.com. We're going to keep this simple and practical, so by the end, you'll have a clean dashboard layout that includes the key building blocks most teams need to track performance at a glance. A KPI dashboard is useful because it turns board data into something more visual and much easier to understand. Instead of digging through rows and columns, you can quickly see trends, totals, and overall progress in one place. To get started, open any board in Monday.com. This will be the starting point for building out your dashboard view. Once you're inside the board, look for the option to add a widget. This is where the dashboard starts to come to life because widgets let you display your data in different formats depending on what you want to measure. First, click Add Widget and choose the Chart widget. This is a great first addition because charts help you visualize performance in a way that's immediate and easy to read. If you're tracking things like task completion, sales progress, campaign results, or team output, a chart gives you a strong, high-level overview right away. Next, click Add Widget again, and this time we're going to add a Numbers widget. Select Numbers from the widget options. This is especially helpful for KPI dashboards because it lets you highlight important figures clearly. For example, this is the kind of widget you'd use when you want one value to stand out, such as a total, a target, or a summary metric. It gives your dashboard a more executive-friendly feel, where the most important number can be seen instantly. After that, click Add Widget one last time. For this final piece, choose Data over Time. This widget is useful because it adds a time-based view to your dashboard, helping you understand how performance changes over a period, rather than only showing a single snapshot. That's important for KPIs, since many metrics are most meaningful when you can track whether they're improving, staying flat, or declining. Once you've added these three widgets, your KPI dashboard is now set up and ready to use. At this point, you have a solid dashboard structure with visual charts, key numbers, and time-based tracking all in one place. From here, you can start editing and adjusting the widgets so they reflect the specific metrics you want to monitor. As a quick tip, try to keep your dashboard focused on the most important indicators only. A good KPI dashboard should feel clear, not crowded. That way, anyone viewing it can understand performance quickly and take action faster.